Charlie Chaplin, icon of silent cinema, creator of the image of the tramp, symbol of early Hollywood. Mary Pickford, America's sweetheart, was one of the first true movie superstars. Buster Keaton, the master of emotionless comedy, known for his incredible stunts. Clara Bow, the original it girl of the 1920s, a symbol of the freedom and energy of the Roaring Twenties. Lon Chaney, the man with 1,000 faces, a master of transformation in horror films. Gloria Swanson, queen of silent films, later star of Sunset Boulevard. Norma Talmadge, a silent film romantic heroine, a symbol of beauty and sophistication. Sessue Hayakawa, the first Asian actor to achieve superstar status in the United States. Rudolph Valentino, the great lover of Hollywood, symbol of romantic passion of the 20s. Lillian Gish, the first lady of American cinema, was a long-serving actress of the silent film era. Douglas Fairbanks, the king of adventure films, the hero of Zorro and The Three Musketeers. Harold Lloyd, the comedian with the glasses famous for his scenes on the edge of skyscrapers. Ramon Novarro, Latin American sex symbol of Hollywood, famous for his role in Ben-Hur.